restoring the body and cells to a younger state purely through spiritual means, specifically by the grace of God, is an idea found in various religious and spiritual traditions. While physical rejuvenation by divine intervention isn't typically framed in modern science, spiritual faith in the grace of God can play a significant role in how individuals experience health, vitality, and well-being. Here's how some spiritual teachings approach this idea. Divine healing and miracles. Many religious traditions, particularly within Christianity, speak of divine healing through faith. In the Bible, there are several instances where God miraculously heals people, restoring their bodies and even granting longevity, e.g., the story of Sarah and Abraham in the Old Testament, or Jesus healing the sick. Believers hold that God, being the creator of the body and the universe, has the power to restore physical health and vitality, even to the point of rejuvenating the cells of the body. This is often viewed as a miracle granted through unwavering faith and prayer. Faith and trust in God's power. A central tenet of many spiritual teachings is that the mind and body respond to faith. Complete surrender to God's will, combined with a deep trust in divine power, is believed to enable God's grace to flow into all areas of life, including physical health. This belief holds that God can reverse the effects of aging and illness, aligning one's body with the divine order. Spiritual rebirth and renewal. The concept of spiritual rebirth is prevalent in Christianity, where believers are born again through faith in Christ. This spiritual renewal is often associated with healing, both emotional and physical, and some view this transformation as having a positive impact on the body, making them feel or appear more youthful. God's grace is seen as capable of renewing not only the soul but also the physical body. Prayer and meditation. Many who believe in divine healing through God's grace emphasize the power of prayer and meditation. By regularly seeking God's presence, the body may become aligned with divine will, allowing healing energy to flow and revitalize the body. Some believe that consistent prayer and a deep connection with God can bring about cellular rejuvenation, restoring youthfulness as a reflection of inner spiritual health. Transformation of the spirit leading to physical change. Spiritual teachings often assert that changes in the spirit and soul can manifest in the body. When a person is spiritually renewed, cleansed, or closer to God, this can lead to physical vitality. The belief is that divine grace doesn't just operate in the unseen realms of the spirit but can extend to the physical body, restoring it to a more youthful state as a reflection of the inner transformation. Examples of saints and spiritual figures. Throughout history, there have been accounts of saints and holy people who reportedly appeared younger than their age due to their closeness to God. These figures often dedicated their lives to spiritual practices and faith, and it was said that their bodies reflected the purity and grace they received from God. This serves as an example in some traditions that divine grace can indeed affect physical appearance and vitality. Purification by God's grace. In many religious traditions, purification of the soul is closely linked to physical rejuvenation. The grace of God is believed to cleanse not only the spirit but also the physical body. As one's sins and negative energies are cleansed through divine intervention, some believe that this purification can extend to the body's cells, allowing them to heal and become more youthful. While the restoration of youth purely through divine grace is a matter of faith and not scientifically documented, for many believers, their experience of God's grace brings about significant physical and emotional healing. Faith in God's limitless power is key in these traditions, and the belief in miraculous transformation is often accompanied by a deep sense of peace, which itself can contribute to better health and vitality.